Jump squats. To start your jump squats, you're going to be standing about hip width apart. Your feet can externally rotate 5 to 10 degrees. From there, you're going to squat down, keeping your whole foot in contact with the ground. Hands are going to come forward. As you jump, you're going to let your arms come forward. You're going to extend your hips, and you're going to jump, getting as much air as you possibly can. The lateral view, we want to make sure we're not tipping forward, just like in our squat, and our hips are dropping straight down. We also want to make sure we're achieving full hip extension at the top of the rep.